Myself Ranjit Pradhan. Today I will take a mathematics class. Today we will discuss matrix. So, what is matrix? A system of any mn numbers arranged in a rectangular array of m rows and n columns is called matrix. Just see here. A11, A12, A1n, A21, A22, A2n, AN1, AM1, AM2, AMN, this is the general form of matrix. What I have said, the definition of matrix. Any mn numbers arranged in a rectangular array of m row and n columns. See here, number of row is m. This is first row, second row. Dot dot means there are in between this and this there are infinite number of rows. And last row, elements of last row am1, am2, amn. And order of this matrix will be m cross n. I will discuss what is order of this matrix. So, according to the definition of matrix, a system of any mn numbers arranged in a rectangular array of m rows and n columns is called matrix. This is the general form of matrix. A11, A12, A1n, A21, A22, A2n, AM1, AM2, AMN. These are the elements of this matrix. And m cross n, this is called order of this matrix. Capital A, in general we denote a matrix by capital letters. Capital A equal to this. This is the general form of matrix. And what is the symbol of matrix? This is the symbol of matrix. These are the symbol of matrices. Next, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, 2, 3, 0, 1. There are two examples of matrices. First is suppose capital A equal to this, capital B equal to this. Okay. Capital A is an example of a matrix. Capital B is another example of a matrix. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the elements of matrices. 1, 0, 2, 3, 0, 1. These are the elements of this matrix. And what is order of this matrix? Order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. Order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. Why 2 cross 2? See here, first 2 is the number of row. First row, second row. Here number of row is 2, that is why this 2. Here number of column is 2, that is why this 2. So order of this matrix will be 2 cross 2. And order of this matrix will be 2 cross 3, because number of row 2, number of column. This is first column, this is called second column, this is called third column. So 2 cross 3. Okay. And another important thing, this matrix is called square matrix. This matrix is called square matrix. Why this is square matrix? See here. Here number of row is equal to number of column. That is why this matrix is called square matrix. And this matrix is called rectangular matrix. This matrix is called rectangular matrix. Why this matrix is rectangular matrix? Because number of row, here number of row is 2, here number of column is 3, they are not equal. Number of row is not equal to number of column. That is why this matrix is the example of a rectangular matrix. Next, I will discuss zero matrix. What is zero matrix? What is zero matrix? Zero matrix is denoted by capital O if all the elements of a matrix, are zero, if all the elements of a matrix are zero, then this matrix is called zero matrix. Next, identity matrix or unit matrix. Unit or identity matrix. Unit matrix or identity matrix is denoted by capital I. 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. This is the example of a unit matrix or identity matrix. And see here, very important thing, order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. This is the example of a 2 cross 2 identity matrix. Capital I equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is a identity matrix of order 3. This is a identity matrix of order 3 cross 3. Because there are 3 rows and 3 columns. So this is a example of identity matrix. This is also example of identity matrix. Next topic is transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. Suppose consider a matrix capital A 1 2 3 4 6 7. Order of this matrix is 3 cross 2. So what will be the transpose of this matrix capital A? Transpose is denoted by this 1 2 3 4 6 7. This is called A transpose. or you can write in this way, A dash. A dash, these are the symbols of transpose of a matrix capital A. So this is called transpose of a matrix. So already we have discussed what is the definition of matrix. Already also I have given an example of a matrix. Also I have given the example of a zero matrix. Also I have given the example of identity matrix. What is rectangular matrix? What is square matrix? Also lastly I have given the transpose of matrix. What is transpose of matrix? Next, operations on matrices. Our next topic is operations. Operations on matrices. First operation is addition of two matrices. Addition of two matrices. Suppose capital A is a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Capital B is another matrix 6, 7, 8, 9. So A plus B, addition of matrices means 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 6, 7, 8, 9. Just add the elements of corresponding position elements. Suppose this plus this, 1 plus 6, 7, 2 plus 7, 9, 3 plus 8, 11, 4 plus 9, 13. And today's last one important thing, today we will discuss one important thing, then we will conclude our session. Just I am taking an example of a matrix. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. This element, this position is called 1, 1 position. In the definition of matrix, I have given a general form of matrix A11, A12. Here A11 means 1, A12 means 2, A21 means 3, A22 means 4. See here, this 1, this suffixes denotes the position of this element 1. This position is called 1, 1 position. This position is called 1, 2 position. This position is called 2, 1 position. And this position is called 2, 2 position. So A22 equal to 4. Okay, and subtraction, multiplication. In my next session we will discuss the remaining operations on matrices. Thank you.